West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has slammed the central government and the BJP-led Uttar Pradesh government of over-alleged the mismanagement at the Mahakumbh Mela underway in the Uttar Pradesh's Prayagraj, saying, and I quote, Mahakumbh has turned into Mrityu Kumbh, and Mamata Banerjee said this in the Bengal Assembly. Meanwhile, Uttar Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Brijesh Pathak has hit back at Mamata Banerjee and said that amount of condemnation would be less for this remark. Opposition leaders are making statements only to please the Muslims under the appeasement politics. When the time comes, the public will give a befitting reply to this. Chief Minister of West Bengal and TMC Supremo Mamata Banerjee will be wiped out in the West Bengal is what Brijesh Pathak has said. Let's now listen in.
ममता बनर्जी जी का बयान बहुत ही निंदनीय है। जितनी भी निंदा की जाए वो कम है। केवल तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति के तहत केवल मुस्लिमों को खुश करने के लिए सनातन धर्म पर अनाप शनाप बयानबाजी विपक्षी नेता कर रहे हैं। समय आने पर जनता इसका मुंह तोड़ जवाब देगी और पश्चिम बंगाल में तो ममता बनर्जी का सुपड़ा
Nikita Sareen, my colleague, is joining me live on the broadcast. Nikita, now a big statement by the remarks of TMC Supremo Mamata Banerjee on Prayagraj in the Mahakumbh. In fact, now also garnering criticism from the central leadership of the BJP. Brijesh Pathak has hit out at her, including many senior leaders of the BJP, alleging that this is a very low level remark that has been made. What are the top leadership in the Uttar Pradesh maintaining? Has the Chief Minister also issued a statement so far? Please share details.
Well, Simran, as far as Mahakumbh is concerned, a very insulting statement that we are seeking from Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, who is saying, denoting Mahakumbh as Mrityu Kumbh remark for Mahakumbh 2025. And after the statement came from Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, the Deputy CM and also the top leaders from Uttar Pradesh are commenting on this very insulting statement that have been commented by Chief Minister of West Bengal. As far as Deputy CM Brijesh Pathak is concerned, he also stated that any amount of condemnation would be less, and opposition leaders are making statement only to please Muslims under all this politics, where the time comes the public will give the benefiting reply to Mamata Banerjee and will be wiped out from West Bengal. And also Uttar Pradesh Excise Minister Nitin Agrawal is hitting back at West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's statements and saying opposing Sanatan has become the main agenda for opposition. And Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has shown her deranged mentality by calling Mahakumbh a symbol of faith for crores of Sanatanis, Mrityu Kumbh, and this is an insult to crores of Hindus and devotees of the country. And also the grandeur of Mahakumbh is not being liked by the opponents of Sanatan, and therefore they are conspiring to defame Mahakumbh by continuous spreading false propaganda. Devotees not only from the country but from all over the world are coming to Mahakumbh and taking a holy dip. The opposition has panicked, seeking the immense enthusiasm of public towards the divine Mahakumbh. They are not able to digest the popularity that has been coming from Mahakumbh, where governments are making records as far as crowd management is concerned, as far as cleanliness is concerned. So Mamata Banerjee should immediately apologize to everyone for insulting crores of Sanatanis and devotees with her low-level statement. Over to you.
Absolutely. In fact, Nikita, at this point of time, not just Uttar Pradesh, but the leaders of the BJP, of the top brass from other states have also reacted. Has there been, in fact, an official statement on the Kumbh from the reply of the state administration that has been issued in this regard? If you can share some details.
Mahakumbh 2025 is concerned, they are making, absolute record as far as crowd management is concerned. Firstly, if we talk about the crowd and the devotees and the Sanatanis, over 54 crores plus devotees till now so far have taken a holy dip. Whereas if the opposition, if we talk about, and if we look for the budget session here out in Uttar Pradesh that has been commenced from yesterday, today is the second day, and the opposition is also making the propagandas and agendas regarding Mahakumbh that government is not showing the exact number of the things that happened on 29th of January on Mani Amavasya, where government is also putting the thorough, deep issues and agendas for the Mahakumbh, for breaking the records of devotees and also the cleanliness. But if we talk about opposition, whereas if we see the comments and the statement from West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, and also other oppositions who is actually not liking this event, which is government's huge and historic event, they are